Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Joe, and today we're unlocking a secret that can skyrocket your productivity, save you time, and help you achieve more with less effort. It's called the 80/20th rule, also known as the Pareto principle. And once you understand it, you'll never work the same way again. Before we jump in, do me a quick favor. Like this video if you want to be more productive. Subscribe for more life-changing strategies. Share this with someone who needs to stop working harder and start working smarter. So what exactly is the 80/20th rule? It's the idea that 80% of your results come from just 20% of your efforts. This principle applies to almost every part of life: business, fitness, relationships, and even personal growth. For example, in business, 80% of profits often come from 20% of customers. In fitness, 80% of your results come from just 20% of your workout routines, and in your daily life, 80% of your happiness might come from just 20% of your activities or relationships. Alright, now let's get practical. Here's how you can use the 80/20th rule to work smarter, not harder. Step 1. Identify your 20% first. Look at your tasks and figure out which 20% of activities are driving 80% of your success. Ask yourself, what's truly making an impact? Step 2. Eliminate or delegate the 80%. Most people waste time on low-value tasks. Stop doing the unnecessary 80% and either delegate it or cut it out completely. Time is your most valuable asset. Step 3. Maximize your 20%. Once you identify what's working, double down on it. Whether it's a skill, a habit, or a business strategy, focus your energy on what actually moves the needle. Want to use the 80/20th rule to increase your income? Here's how. Focus on high-income activities. Instead of working on everything, focus on the 20% of work that brings in the most money. If you're a freelancer, it might be a specific skill. If you run a business, it might be your top 20% of clients. Automate and outsource the 80%. If a task doesn't directly contribute to growth, automate it, delegate it, or eliminate it. This applies to emails, admin work, or anything else that doesn't add real value. Did you know you can also use the 80/20th rule to get in shape faster? Focus on the most effective exercises. Instead of wasting time on 10 different workouts, focus on the 20% that give 80% of the results. Compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, and push-ups are game changers. Eat smart, not perfect. 80% of your fitness results come from 20% of your diet choices. Instead of obsessing over every single meal, just make sure your core diet is solid. And there you have it. The 80/20th rule explained. Now it's time to take action. Stop wasting time on things that don't matter, and start focusing on the things that do. Before you go, don't forget, like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more life-changing tips. Share this with someone who needs to hear this message today.